A poor scholarship student had just been accepted into the most prestigious school in America, but on her very first day, she accidentally spilled a cup of water all over Asher Calloway, the billionaire heir nobody at Eastbrook dared to cross. And Lucy had no idea that one single moment was about to change everything.
English. Daily love.
I can't put up with this boring event anymore.
Come on, it's not that bad. Just chill out.
Look over there. The king finally decided to show up. It's about time. Let's see who gets in his way today. Nobody dares to cross him. They always back down. Exactly. They know how to stay out of trouble.
Did you figure out the schedule for this afternoon?
Yeah.
I don't care about it. Just cancel the meeting.
We can't just call it off. The board is waiting. Let them wait. I make the rules here.
If they complain, tell them to deal with it.
Yeah.
Now, let's keep moving. I hate standing still. Hey! Over here. Are you guys joining us? Not right now, Ryder. We are heading to the main hall. Don't be so serious all the time, man. Lighten up. Get out of the way. I don't have time for games.
I just need to turn in this paper and go home.
Yeah.
I can't wait to graduate and leave this place behind.
Make sure the library is cleared out before I go in. I will take care of it right away. Don't worry. Good, because I hate being interrupted when I study. Understood. It will be completely quiet for you.
I hope I didn't forget anything important at home. Whatever. I just need to get through this day. Almost there. Just a few more steps to the door.
This is not going to end well. I can tell. People never look where they are going.
Oh my gosh. Is she blind? She is walking right into him. She is so dead. He is gonna lose his mind. I really need a quiet place to sit down. This day is taking forever to end.
Asher, watch out! Stop walking! What are you yelling about?
What the? Get out of my way!
Oh no! Stop!
Get out of my way! Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Are you blind?
Oh my gosh. I didn't see you. I'm so sorry. Please move back. The cup is breaking. I can't hold it. Oh my God, the water is everywhere. It was an accident. You stepped right in front of me.
Oh man, this is a disaster. We need to clean this up.
I can't believe what I just saw. She actually hit him. Did she really just spill water on Asher Calloway? That's insane!
Wow!
She just crossed a line she shouldn't have crossed. She is definitely going to get kicked out of the school for this. Just wait and see. He will make her life miserable.
Please, let's just calm down. We can figure this out without a fight. It's just water. It will dry off in a few minutes. Just water? Are you out of your mind, Nathan? I expect an apology right now, or else.
I am not going to apologize. You walked into me. You should watch where you are going next time. Yes, I did. You changed your direction on purpose. Excuse me.
Did you just tell me to watch where I'm going?
You must be new here. Let me educate you. When I walk down this path, everyone steps aside. Everyone.
She should just get down on her knees and beg right now.
Oh.
Even if she begs, he won't let her off the hook easily. Well, maybe you shouldn't expect everyone to treat you like a king. I am a student here too. I have the right to walk here.
You have the right? You are nothing in this school.
I don't care what you think of me. Leave me alone. You saw me walking on the side, and you purposely cut across. If your shirt is ruined, that is your own fault.
Okay, that's enough. Both of you need to stop arguing. Did you just blame me for this? Unbelievable.
Oh, this girl is hilarious. She has no idea what kind of trouble she just got into.
You really don't know when to shut your mouth, do you?
I am just telling the truth. You are the one being unreasonable.
Do you even know who I am? My family owns half of this campus. I can have you expelled before you even finish your lunch. Asher, stop it! Everyone is watching us right now! Let them watch. I want her to learn a lesson.
I honestly don't care who you are. A bully is just a bully. Expel me if you want. It doesn't make you right.
You are going to regret calling me that. Mark my words.
I am not scared of your empty threats. Grow up!
Listen to me, man. Let it go. She is not worth your time. Don't touch me, Nathan. Stay out of this. I will handle this myself. She needs to understand her place. You are making a big scene over nothing. Cut it out!
I am going to make sure you disappear from this university. By tomorrow, nobody will even remember your name.
Good luck with that. I am not going anywhere. Now, if you are done yelling, I have class.
What are you doing? Don't touch that trash near me.
I am cleaning up the mess, unlike you. There, problem solved. Have a nice day.
You are actually walking away? Come back here.
Maybe use some of your family's money to buy a towel.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Try not to bump into anyone else. Did you just bump into me again? Unbelievable.
Oops.
My bad. Excuse me.
She is going to pay for this. I swear it. Nobody walks away from me like that. Whew. She completely roasted you, man. That was wild. Shut up, Ryder. Don't say another word.
Did you catch her name? Who is she? I have no idea, but she is definitely famous now. We need to find out everything about her. This is huge news. Oh, don't worry. The internet will track her down in 5 minutes.
I need a new shirt right now. Let's go to the locker room. Okay, I will call the driver to bring a fresh one. Just keep walking.
This is perfect. I got the whole thing on camera. This picture is gonna break the internet today. I can't wait.
I need to share this right now. People will love it. This is the best drama we have had all year.
Let's add a catchy title. This is perfect. Wow. She messed with the wrong guy. It is too late for her. I need to get away from them. My heart is beating so fast. Just keep walking. Don't let them see you panic. Why did I do that? I should have just walked away. I can't change it now. I just want to go home. You made a huge mistake out there. Do you realize that? I didn't do anything wrong. He started it. It does not matter who started it. He always wins. I don't want to fight. I just want peace and quiet. Peace is gone. You just kicked a hornet's nest. I will be fine. They will forget about it by tomorrow. Don't say I didn't warn you. Good luck. She is just trying to scare me. I am safe here.
I am so angry. She humiliated me in front of everyone. Calm down, Asher. Take deep breaths. But I can't. Look at this mess.
Nobody treats me like that. I won't accept it. I am going to make sure she regrets it.
I know you are upset. Let's just focus on the meeting today. Forget the meeting. I have a new plan.
I will make her life very difficult. She will come back and beg me to stop.
Check your phone. Did you see the new post? Wait, I am refreshing my feed right now. Ha! Oh, I see it! Wow. You won't believe this. Someone took a picture of the fight. Oh my gosh, it looks so dramatic. This is exactly what I was waiting for. She is finished. It is already going viral.
Hey, look at this! The whole school is sharing it!
My phone won't stop ringing. Everyone is talking about it.
She is famous now, but in a very bad way.
I feel a little bad for her. She looks so scared in the photo. Don't feel bad for her. She brought it on herself. Exactly. If you play with fire, you get burned.
This is a violation of school rules. We should report it. Are you crazy? Don't ruin the fun for everyone. I have to do my job. This is going too far.
Yeah.
But I don't want Asher to be mad at me either. Asher, you need to see this right now. What is it? I am busy fixing my clothes. Someone posted a picture of you and that girl. It is everywhere. The whole school is looking at it. Give me that phone. Let me see what they posted. It is spreading really fast. We can't stop it now. Who took this photo? Tell me right now. I will find them and make them pay for this.
Why is everyone looking at me like that? Did I drop something? Do I have dirt on my face? That is her. She is walking right over there. Keep your voice down. Let's just watch what happens. I feel really uneasy. Something is definitely wrong. They are all whispering when I walk past them. Look at her face. She has absolutely no idea. She is going to find out very soon. Just wait. I should check my phone. Maybe someone sent me a message. Where is it? Did I leave it in my bag?
Hey, Invisible Girl, you are trending online right now. Stop shouting, Ryder. That is not nice at all. No, I'm telling her, she's trending. Stop it, it's embarrassing.
Trending? What is he talking about? I have 50 missed messages. What is going on?
My post got 1,000 likes in 1 minute. This is amazing. Everyone is talking about it. My traffic is exploding. I am going to add a new comment. Let's make it worse. She is totally ruined. I did a great job.
I am going to smash this phone into pieces. Don't do that. It is my phone, not yours. Please calm down. Breaking things won't solve the problem. I don't care about your phone. I care about my reputation.
This picture, it looks so bad. Everyone is laughing at me. I am going to be the joke of the whole school. I can't breathe. The walls are closing in. I have to leave. I have to get out of here right now.
She looks like she is going to cry.
We should stop staring.
Well, she asked for it. You don't mess with the boss.
Don't look away now. This is the best part of the day. I want to see her run away crying. She is breaking down. She wasn't ready for this world. This is how Eastbrook breaks people. Please stop looking at me. Please just go away. I didn't mean to cause any trouble. Welcome to Eastbrook, little girl. The game has just started. I bet she drops out by tomorrow morning. She thought she was tough out there. She was wrong.
Yeah.
Nobody survives when the whole school turns against them. I need to get out of here. I can't stay in this hallway. Everyone is staring. I just want to disappear. No, I will not let them see me cry. I have to be strong. I won't give them what they want.
There she is. Look at her standing there. Just leave her alone, Asher. She has had enough for one day. I am not done with her yet. This is just the beginning. Oh, she needs to learn her lesson properly.
He is looking right at me. I won't look away.
No.
I am not going to run and hide from him.
Look at her trying to act brave. It's pathetic.
Keep staring all you want. I am not afraid.
Okay, that is enough staring. Let's go to class. We have a long day ahead. Don't waste your energy.
They are leaving. Thank goodness. But this is not over. I can feel it. Let me read this post again. What exactly does it say? This caption is so mean. Who wrote this? The invisible girl hit the wrong guy. Wow. They really think I am just going to give up, don't they? I am not invisible. And I won't let them push me around. If they want to fight, I will fight. Interesting. She still has some fight left in her. Maybe this year won't be so boring after all. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. She will need a miracle to survive here. I just need to focus on my classes. Nothing else matters.
Yeah.
They will not break me. My name is Lucy Parker, and I am here to stay. Bring it on, Asher.
See you in English Daily Love.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and stay with the channel. More simple and emotional stories are coming, and we will learn English together through each other. See you in the next story.